Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into an important and versatile word, amendment. A noun at the C1 level, an amendment refers to a change or addition to a document. Whether you're discussing legal texts, constitutions, or even contracts, this word has a significant role in shaping how we communicate and formalize updates. Let's break it down. When we talk about an amendment, we're referring to a formal process of improving, correcting, or adding to a document. For example, you might hear about an amendment to a country's constitution that reflects changes in society or policies. In everyday language, it's also common to refer to amendments when updating a report or a set of rules. Some common synonyms for amendment include modification, revision, and alteration. Here are a few examples to make things clearer. The teacher made a modification to the syllabus to include more group activities. The contract went through a thorough revision before it was signed. They made an alteration to the wedding plans due to weather conditions. On the flip side, antonyms for amendment could be preservation, originality, or unchanged state. For instance, the committee decided on the preservation of the original plan without any edits. The originality of the first draft impressed the editor. The document remained in its unchanged state despite the suggestions for updates. How does amendment fit into everyday conversations? Let's say you're part of a group project at work and someone says, "We need to make an amendment to this section before submitting the final report." In legal contexts, you might hear, "The lawyer proposed an amendment to the terms of the agreement." Or perhaps at a community meeting, someone might suggest, "An amendment to the bylaws will require a vote." To help you understand even better, here are some sentences with amendment in action. The amendment to the budget was approved after much debate. She suggested an amendment to the policy to make it more inclusive. The constitutional amendment granted new rights to citizens. And that wraps up our discussion on the word amendment. It's a practical and impactful term that can elevate your conversations and understanding of formal processes. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. Before we go, I'd love to hear from you. Create your own sentence using the word amendment and share it in the comments. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.